Google released a new Google Doc feature that allows users to create and collaborate on an email draft. In a previous video, I showed you how to use the Google Docs app menu, which I will link in the description box below. And in that video, I predicted that Google would be releasing more templates, and they did not disappoint. To use the new Google Doc email draft template, open up a Google Doc, type the @ symbol, and in the building blocks section, you'll notice there is a new email draft option. Click on it, and an email template is then inserted in your Google Doc. In the to, CC, and BCC sections, you can either manually add an email address, or if you would like to enter the name of someone who you already have in your contacts list, simply type in the @ symbol and search for that user. Now in this email draft, I can then type in my subject for the email, and in the space provided below, we can write our email message. So let's talk about why you would use this Google Doc draft email template. The most obvious reason is that it allows users to collaborate on crafting an email. For example, a teacher and a co-teacher could work together on drafting an email to parents. Or you could use this feature, not share it with anyone, but just have it saved in your Google Drive. For example, in every class that I teach, I send out a welcome email introducing myself to parents, explaining a little bit about the course, and ways that parents can reach me. Before, I would have to copy and paste from my Google Drive and bring it into Gmail. Now, with this email draft template, when I am ready to send, I can simply click on the Gmail icon, and an email will automatically pop up. I can make any necessary changes that I'd like, and when I'm ready, I can click send, or I can schedule when to send this email, which is also another video I recorded and I will list in the description box below. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.